What's up guys, this is Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and today I'm going to show you how to remove cigarette smells and smoke odors from any type of car. And I've been detailing my whole entire life, and this is a professional trick I've always used to make sure that cars smell great. And if you have a cigarette smells in your car that you want gone, this is going to be the easiest way to do it. Now the first thing you need to do is you need to get the right product to do it. I'm going to use our Masterson's Tropical Pineapple Air Freshener and Odor Eliminator. Now you see that right there? This is important. Odor Eliminator, that's super important for this job. This isn't just an air freshener, this is an odor eliminator. So what's the difference? An odor eliminator is actually gonna seek out the smells and the bacteria that caused the odor in the fabric, in the AC system, under the seats, everywhere. It's going to eliminate it, and then it's going to leave the smell of tropical pineapple inside of the car. That's why I love tropical pineapple air freshener. Now, when I do this job with cigarette smells, I always like to use a fruit smell. The fruit smells always counter the cigarette smells a lot better than, let's say, like an ice smell or a new car smell. A fruit smell like this tropical pineapple, everybody loves, and I know the owner is going to love it. So come inside, guys. Let's go ahead and show you guys how to properly flush out your AC system. Now, this car, it smells like garbage. Like, it just smells so nasty, like cigarettes, like somebody smoked in here a long time. This was actually a work truck. And so the owners probably smoked cigarettes in here like all the time. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to flush out the AC system using the Tropical Pineapple Air Freshener. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do, what I like to do, is first spray the Tropical Pineapple Air Freshener in the car. So I like to spray it right here on the floor mat. So I'm gonna prime my air freshener. I like to spray it all in the front right here, so spray it down here. And then I can also spray it in the back, so I'll open the back door and we'll move the seat forward for you guys. And I can spray it back here too. Already, car's smelling better. Just a few sprays in the car makes the biggest difference. Go ahead and push this back. There we go. Already making a big difference. Now, here's where the trick lies into making all the difference in getting the smells out of the car. You gotta flush the AC system. Now, inside cars, when you smoke cigarettes and you're running the AC, the cigarette smell, it goes inside the AC and it goes behind the dash. So it's actually inside of the dash. We're gonna show you guys how to get that out today with the odor eliminating technology in the Tropical Pineapple Air Freshener. So come in, guys, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do with the AC. First, let's go ahead and take our key. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start the car. There we go. Now come in close and look what I do with AC, guys. All ACs are different, but this is gonna work for this car as well. First, you're gonna wanna take the air conditioning, turn it to high, and make sure that the air conditioning is on. See this button right here? That means the AC is off. When it's lit up, that means it's on. You wanna turn the AC on. Make sure that the temperature is all the way to cold. See right here, I have it moved all the way to cold, okay? Now, if you can, you wanna put it on the blow at the top vents, at the forward vents, because that way it's gonna recirculate the air from the bottom and it's gonna bring it up to the top. Now here's a trick. See this button right here with the little circular arrow on it? Press that. That's the recirculate. So what's gonna do is it's gonna close the door and it's gonna pull the air from the bottom of the dash and bring it up right to the top up here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take my air freshener, I'm gonna shake it up, and I'm just allowing the AC to get cold for a second. That means that the air is flowing properly and the system is ready to be cleaned. It's a hot day today, it's about 90 degrees outside. So now about just a few seconds later, the AC is starting to blow cold. Now we're ready to use the pineapple air freshener. So modern cars, they suck in for the AC down here at the bottom, okay? So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna take my pineapple air freshener, I'm gonna spray it right down there at the bottom. There we go, about 4 sprays, and already the car is smelling like fresh pineapple. I'm gonna do this on this side as well, you guys can't see it, but I'm spraying it down here on the driver's side as well. And already the car is smelling like fresh pineapple, it's crazy. And this is a big bottle, it's a 16-ounce bottle. So this is gonna do a lot of cars and you can completely cover the whole car. It's safe to spray on the seats. So I can spray it on the seats too. Everywhere in the car, it's just smelling good now, okay? So now here's a trick. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close all the doors. Leave the car running. Make sure that your doors are unlocked. Do not lock your car while it's running. And I'm gonna close all of the doors. Here we go. And I'm gonna let the car run for about 10 minutes with the doors sealed. That way the car is gonna be fresh, and then we're gonna come back in 10 minutes and show you guys the result and smell the inside of the car, and we'll see the cigarettes are gone. So we're back after 10 minutes. Let's go inside. Let's smell the car. Let's open it up. Coming on this side. Wow. That's a big difference, guys. That's amazing. Because what our odor eliminator inside of the air freshener did, it killed all the bacteria that caused by the cigarette smoke. Now, this person picked up this car used, but it's new to them. So we want the car to smell new. And I always know when there's a smoker, because I look around the car, and usually even on used cars that are bought from private party, you can find stuff like I found this. See, look, a cigarette. Right? So we know that the person they bought this car from actually had cigarettes in the car, was smoking in the car, and it smells like that. That's why the person came and said, hey, my car smells weird. I already knew right by smelling it. It has cigarette odors, and we could use our tropical pineapple air freshener to eliminate the smell, guys. So there you go, guys. Car's ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. There we go, guys. And now everything in this car smells great. It smells like new. And if you guys want to go ahead and eliminate cigarette smoke or tobacco smoke from your car, just go ahead and pick up our Masterson's Tropical Pineapple Air Freshener. You can pick it up right now today on our website, mastersonswax.com. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. Share all the other videos we have right here on our channel. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care. We'll see you next time. Always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.